Hello, dear students. Good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter number first, that is computer software. In this chapter we will learn what is computer software and application software and system software. There are two types of computer software, application and system. Definition and purpose of operating system, language processor and utilities. Difference between ready-made and custom software, programming language, and difference between compiler and interpreter. So let's start. Introduction. A computer system has two main components, hardware and software. You already know about the hardware and software. So let us see a quick recap. Hardware consists of all the components that we can touch. Hardware consists the all of the components that we can touch. It means hardware can touch by the user. For example, keyboard, mouse, CPU and the printer. These are the hardware devices the user can touch and see. Next, software. Software consists of all the components that we cannot touch. We cannot touch. It means hardware consists the components that the user can touch, but the software we cannot touch. Software is a set of programs. What is software? Software is a set of programs, or in another language you can say that the software is a collection of various programs. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform task. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform task. It is tells the computer to perform the task. Okay. The program is set of instruction. Let us an example. Just as a music player needs recorded music to play, computer hardware needs software to work. Okay. So you will give the instruction to the music player with the help of mouse. When you will click on the play button of media player, okay, then after click on the play button the software will work. The software will send the instruction to the computer that play the media player. After that the computer will play the media player. Okay, so software and hardware clear. Hardware is devices that the user can touch and see, and software we cannot touch, we can see and feel only. Next, you have already learned about computer software in earlier class. Here is a quick recap. Okay, you have already learned. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. The term dash is used to refer computer program. Okay, so what will be the answer of this? Yes, speak. Okay, so the answer is software. The answer is software. Okay. CD-ROM is a hardware, but programs stored in it are. The program cannot store in CD-ROM because CD-ROM is a hardware device, but the CD-ROM is consist the CD, compact disc, or you can say that in another language, memory. Okay, so the answer will be memory. Logo is a programming. Logo is a programming language. Logo is a programming language. Among keyboard, mouse, monitor, operating system and joystick, dash is odd one out. So keyboard. Keyboard is a input device, mouse is also input device, monitor is output device and joystick is input device, but the operating system is the different. So the answer will be operating system. Okay, next, MS Windows is a N. Microsoft Window is AN, what will be the answer? The answer will be same. Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Okay, so let's start types of software. There are two types of software we have already read. There are thousands and thousands of programs, but all of them can be categorized into two kinds. First one is application software and the second one is system software. First one is application software and the second one is system software. So now we will read about the application and the system software. There is a classification of software, system software and application software. There are two types of system software, operating system and translator, and there are two types of translator, interpreter and compiler. Application software, there are two types of application software, ready-made software and customized software. The software that we see and work with is the application software. The system software, like behind the scene people in films stay in the background. It has important function to perform. So we will understand it through an example of the application software. Application software. Application software are programs developed using one of the computer language to perform a specific task. Application software is two types. The application software are software that are developed using the computer language. All the programs are developed using the computer language, that is like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, etc. There are two types of application software. First one is ready-made software and second one is customized or tailor-made software. So what is ready-made software? Ready-made software, these are programs developed by software companies for general purpose application. These programs can be bought and used right away. You can directly port the ready-made software. Ready-made software is available on market and on the store, on particular store of the softwares. Examples: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Tally, Photoshop, etc. Okay, this type of software can bought off the shelf. These are several good reasons for using this type of ready-made software. Okay, it is relatively cheap, it is ready available in the stores and on the internet, can be installed quickly and easily. It is thoroughly tested, so there is a little chance of it having any serious error, and it is well supported with a lot of books and online help about how to use it. So these are the advantage of the ready-made software. The ready-made software can be purchased from the market or store directly. We no need to special instruction in ready-made software. Some ready-made application software, their examples and purpose are given in table below. Okay, what are the purposes? Database package. What is the use of database package? Examples like Microsoft Access, Lotus, Approach and Paradox. These are the database package used to store and retrieve data in an organized way. These softwares are used to store the data and retrieve the data. Spreadsheet package like Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, used for tasks that involve a lot of calculations and for creating graphs and charts. Okay, so page number 5 and page number 6 is completed. Till that you will learn that what is software, types of software. Okay, and you will also learn the fill in the blanks. After that you will learn application software. There are two types of application software, ready-made software and customized software. In next class we will read customized software and more about the softwares and operating system. Okay, so you will learn page number 5 to 10. After the in next class we will learn more things. If you have any question you can send me. Okay, thank you.